Hello everyone, myself Sai Prasad, Alex in Allahabad High School and the Junior College. Welcome to the series of the lectures of 10th class maths. We have started our discussion with almost all chapters of our 10th class, and this is our last chapter, that is mensuration. What is this mensuration? You would have seen the name surface areas and volumes and all other perimeter area, right? These are all the prerequisites of my mensuration chapter. What are those? We will learn the areas, the surface areas, the volumes of any solid. That is, we will take only 3D object in this, whether it is a cube, cuboid. Okay, shall we start? Is it okay? Hope everyone knows the basics of this mensuration. The only thing is we have to learn the formulae. Fine, shall we start? See here, the first object, that is cube, which is a basic object. What is a cube? A cube is a solid to which all sides are equal. It will have 3 dimensions. One is length, breadth and height, and all these are same. That means it will have only one dimension. It is a 3D figure. It is a box, okay, which has all sides equal. Okay, then if I say each side is A, then it will have lateral surface area, that is the 4 sides. Okay, if each side area is a square and the area of a square is 4a square, then lateral surface area includes 4 sides. That will be LSA for this is 4a square. Okay, what about TSA? A TSA means total surface area, including lateral surface area. I have to add top and the bottom. Okay, this is also square, which means I will get total 6 surfaces. Therefore, this will become 6a square. Right? Volume means obviously side into side into side, that is a cube. Is it okay? Is it clear? Now the next shape, that is cuboid. What is a cuboid? Cuboid is a simple extension of cube. Right? How? That is, cube will have all sides, all dimensions same. Cuboid will have length, breadth, height. Okay. Then what is its LSA? It will have 4 sides in which length, breadth are, height, breadth are involved. Therefore, we can write LSA of this as 2h into L plus B. Okay, fine. TSA is, we have to find the area of all 6 sides. That is, if one side is LB, one more is HB, and obviously third one is BL. That will be 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. What about volume? We have to multiply or 3 dimensions, that is LBH. Okay, these are the values for LSA, TSA and volume of a cuboid. Fine. And the next shape, that is cylinder. A cylinder is a normal cylinder. See here, this is a cylinder which has height and a circular base. Circle will have only one dimension, that is radius. That's why I have written it as 2r, which means diameter is 2r bole to radius is only r. Is it right? Now tell me, what is LSA? Does it have LSA? No, it will have CSA. Okay. What is the circumference of a circle? That is 2 pi r. Right? If I multiply with h, that will be my CSA. CSA of cylinder is 2 pi r h. Okay. What about TSA? TSA is 2 pi r h plus area of this circle and area of bottom circle, which means 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. Okay. If I take 2 pi r common, I will get it as 2 pi r into r plus h. Okay. What is the volume? Pi r square h. Is it clear? Is it okay? What all we learned? CSA, TSA, volume. LSA, TSA, volume of a cube and cuboid. Then CSA, TSA and volume of a cylinder. Is it clear? You have to learn these 3 things first. Shall we move on to next more figures? Let's do. Now see here, the next shape we are going to learn is a cone. Cone is normally a conical shape, okay, which will have different parameters such as radius and the height and slant height L. Okay, is it clear? If I tell LSA or CSA, the surface area laterally it will have CSA. Okay, what is it? That is CSA of a cone is pi RL. Okay, and the next, what about TSA? TSA is pi RL plus pi R square. That will be pi R into L plus R. Okay, that is nothing but pi R square plus pi RL. Fine. Volume. Volume is totally, if I take whole cylinder, this will be 1/3 of that. That is nothing but 1 by 3 pi R square H. Fine. Good. And the next shape is figure. Figure is sphere. Sphere is something like a ball. It will have again only radius. What is LSA? LSA or CSA, whatever it is, that is the whole ball. That is nothing but here 4 pi R square. Here also 4 pi R square. The volume will be pi R cube. 4 by 3 pi R cube. Is it fine? Then let us move on to the next shape, that is hemisphere. What does it have? Here it will have radius. It will be same in all direction. Yes. What is it? This is half of my sphere. Okay. If you observe, what is LSA? LSA is this half sphere plus this 2R. Okay. Is it right? Which means LSA is simply this part, that is 2 pi R square. What about TSA? This base and with the top square. This will be a circle. This is 1 pi R square and this is 2 pi R square. Total, that is 3 pi R square. What about the volume? Half of the volume of sphere, that is 4 pi 3 pi R cube. This will be 2 by 3 pi R cube. Is it clear? What all we learned? We learned CSA, TSA and volume of cube, sphere and hemisphere. Is it clear? When do we say CSA and when do we say LSA? If it is LSA, then it should be something like a square or rectangle like that. Right? If it is CSA, the area should be curved. Is it clear? Did you understand? Shall we start doing the problems? Let's do it. Look at these questions here. The question given here, it is, he is telling a joker's cap is in the form of a cone. Okay, joker's cap you would have seen, right? That is in the form of a cone, for which its base radius is 7 centimeter it seems. Okay, do you remember the cone shape? Yes, right, which means the radius of this base is 5 centimeter. Okay, and the height is 24 centimeter. Height here it is 24 centimeter. Okay, then he is asking us to find the sheet required. Sheet बोले तो इसका CSA. Okay, that is given radius 5 centimeter, height 24 centimeter. What is CSA? CSA of a cone. What is it? Pi RL. What is L now? L is here, that is slant height. How do we find? Tell me. This is the radius and this is height. What is the radius here? 5. What is the height? 24. If you observe, this is nothing but my right angle triangle. Okay. In a circular cone, you should remember that hypotenuse L square is equal to H square plus R square. Fine. Shall we substitute and find? See here, that is 24 square plus 5 square, that is how much? Sorry, this is 7, right? Yes, this is 7. 24 square plus 7 square, that is 576 plus 49, that is 625. This is L square. L is 25. Is it fine? The length is 25. Slant length or simply slant height. Okay, that is, the answer is 22 by 7 into what is radius? 7. L is 25. If you cancel these both, I will get it as 25 into 2. That is 25 2 is 500. 500 is 5500. Is it clear? Centimeter square. Yes. Then what did he ask? He is asking us to find the making 10 such caps. That is, we have to multiply it with 10. That is, total sheet is equal to 10 into 5500. That is 55000 centimeter square. Is it right? Did you understand? What is that I have to remember? I have to remember this relation, L square is equal to H square plus R square. Without that, can we find that? No. Okay? Yes. Look at this next question. He is directly asking to find the volume of right circular cone with radius 6 and height 7 centimeter. There is a right circular cone in which radius is given as 6 centimeter, height is given as 7 centimeter. What is the volume of a cone? That is, volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. That is 1 by 3. What is pi? 22 by 7. What is r? 6 square. What is h? 7. Okay. That is 7 will get cancelled. 1 by 3 into 22 into 6 into 6. 3 ones are 3 twos are 22 into 6 twos are 12. How much is it? 24. That is 264. 264 centimeter cube. Don't forget to write the units there. Is it right? Is it not easy to solve? That is, we have to know the formula of volume as 1 by 3 pi r square h. Is it clear? Shall we move on to the next problems? Let's do. Look at this question here. The question given as the LSA of a cylinder is equal to the CSA of a cone. What is this? Do you know the formula of LSA of cylinder? What is LSA? LSA is nothing but a CSA of a cylinder, right? That is nothing but this is 2 pi r h. Okay, right? What is given? That is LSA of cylinder is equal to CSA of cone, right? That is given. And what is also given? Their bases are same. Bases same bole to their radius is same. The radius of cylinder is equal to radius of cone. And what is given? He is asking us to find the ratio of height of cylinder to slant height of cone. Okay. Now let us substitute the formula LSA of a cylinder. What is it? That is nothing but CSA of a cylinder. That is 2 pi r h. Okay. Here CSA of a cone is pi r l. Right. If you observe, pi will get cancelled on both sides. R also will get cancelled. Then he is asking us to find the ratio of height of cylinder to slant height of a cone. That is h by l is nothing but 1 by 2. Right? He is asking the ratio, that is nothing but 1:2. Is it clear? These are all the basic questions he is going to ask in the exam. Okay, what is that we have to know? We have to know the formulas exactly. Okay, see here, a cylinder and cone have bases of equal radii, it seems. Cylinder and cone have equal bases, which means equal radii. Which means the radius of cylinder is equal to radius of cone. Right? Radius of cylinder is equal to radius of cone. He is asking us an equal height, it seems. That is, height of cone is equal to height of cylinder. He is asking us to find volume of cylinder to volume of cone. That is, volume of cylinder to volume of cone. What is the formula of volume of cylinder? That is pi r square h by, what is volume of cone? That is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay. What is this r? This r is r of cylinder. This r is r of cone. This height is height of cylinder. This is height of cone. Fine. Now see here, pi will get cancelled. 3 will go to numerator. He gave r of cylinder equal to r of cone. Therefore, these both will get cancelled. Height of cone is equal to height of cylinder. These will get cancelled. This will become 3 by 1. That is nothing but 3:1. Is it clear? Are this problem easy to solve? What is that we have to remember? We have to remember the basic formulas. Okay. Till now we have did only cone cylinder, right? Shall we do a few more problems of that? See, let's do. See here the next question, that is, he is telling a heap of rice. Heap bole to that collection of rice is in the form of a cone of diameter 12 meter. That is, that will be in the form of a cone. Okay. Yes, which has a diameter of 12 centimeter, I mean 12 meter. Okay, and height is 8 meter it seems. He is asking us to find volume. Now tell me what is given? Given diameter as 12 meter, which means radius is 6 meter. Okay, after that height is given as 8 meter. Is it fine? Now tell me, volume of a cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3. What is pi? He is telling clearly to take pi as 3.14. What is r? 6 square into h is 8. That is 1 by 3 into 3.14 into 36 into 8. 3 ones are 3, 12s are. Okay. What is 12 8s are? 12 8s is 96 into 3.14. Just multiply and tell me what is the answer of 96 into 3.14? 301.44. Sorry, this is meter cube. Yes, fine, good. And he is asking how much canvas cloth is required to cover heap. Canvas cloth in the sense we have to cover the top itself. Right? What's the formula of CSA? That is pi r L. How do we find L? L square is r square plus h square. What is r? 6 square plus h is 8 square. 36 plus 64, that is 100. L is 10 meter. Is it right? And the next, what is CSA? That is pi r L, that is 3.14 into, what is r? R is 6 into L is 10. Okay, that is 31.4 into 6. Just multiply 6 4s are 24, 6 1s are 6 7. This will be 188.4 centimeter square. That is what he asked us, right? Which means we need 188.4 centimeter square area of sheet to cover the heap. Is it clear? Did you understand? Fine. These are all the different basic problems of your first exercise. In the next session, we will learn how to segregate a given solid into two parts, or else if we give 2-3 parts, we have to combine combine together to form a single solid. Okay, fine. Hope everything is clear for today. Let us meet in the next session with the more problems of your mensuration. Thank you.